In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rearrange custom fields in ClickUp. If your list or table view feels cluttered, or if the most important information is buried in the wrong place, rearranging your custom field columns can make your workspace much easier to use. This is a simple adjustment, but it can really improve how quickly you scan tasks and manage your work. To get started, open ClickUp and sign into your workspace. Once you're inside, make sure you're in the correct area where your tasks and custom fields are already set up. Since custom fields are tied to specific locations, it's important to open the exact workspace section where you want to make the change. Next, open the list that contains the custom fields you want to rearrange. You'll want to be in the list where those fields are visible and actively being used. If needed, switch into a list or table style view so the columns are easy to see across the top. Now, look across your task view and find the custom field columns. These are the columns that display the extra information you've added to your tasks, such as labels, dates, drop-downs, numbers, or other custom values. Take a moment to identify the specific field you want to move before you start dragging. Once you've found the custom field column you want to reposition, click and hold directly on the column name. Be sure to click on the column header itself, since that's what allows you to move it. Holding the click for a moment helps prepare the column for dragging. Then, drag the column either left or right, depending on where you want it to appear. As you move it, watch the placement carefully so you can line it up in the most useful spot for your workflow. A good tip here is to place the fields you use most often closer to the front, so they're easier to access at a glance. When you see the placement line appear in the position you want, release the mouse button. That will drop the custom field into its new location. If it doesn't land exactly where you expected, don't worry, you can simply drag it again until it looks right. Continue repeating the same process for any other custom field columns you want to reorganize. You can keep dragging and dropping until the layout matches the way you prefer to work. Once you're done, your list will feel cleaner, more organized, and better tailored to your needs. Thanks for watching.